How's it going, JW? This is a BXS model A-cert, and you're right, there are some differences up here on the top end. You can see it uses the older style Jake brake, model 340E, and there's also a difference in your intake rockers. See, they have that little ledge on there for the actuators, and this is your actuator housing. It's a separate unit which just bolts on just like that. It's a couple of small differences on this model versus the other ones, but everything works pretty much about the same way. Get this one finished up and do the initial startup and get her back on the road. Hope you guys are all having a great day.